loves you, and so do I. Praying that all is well with you today. Are you ready and excited to learn? For this week, our lesson is all about subtracting dissimilar fractions and mixed numbers. So we have here the steps in subtracting dissimilar fractions and mixed numbers. First step, find the LCD. Second step, change it to similar fraction. Third one, subtract the fraction part and the whole number part. Fourth one, write your answer in simplest form. Okay, example. Find the difference of 3 and 3 over 9 minus 2 and 4/5. So following the steps that we have, let's solve. First step, find the LCD of 9 and 5. So we need to find the LCD. When you say LCD, it is the least common denominator. So the multiples of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and so on. So we have here also the multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. So since we have already the LCD, which is 45, okay, we can now change it to similar fraction. So let's solve. So our denominator now is 45. So 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Next one, 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Third step, let's subtract the fraction part and the whole number part. So 27 minus 20 is equal to 7. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So since our denominator is 45, so let's copy 45. Therefore, our answer is 1 and 7 over 45. So another example. Find the difference of 28 over 3 minus 7 and 1/2. So following the steps that we have solved. So first, let's find the LCD of 3 and 2. So in finding the LCD, we need to get the multiples of a number. So the multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Next, the multiples of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So since we have already our common denominator, which is 6, so we can change it now to similar fraction. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 times 28 is equal to 56. Next, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Third one, let's subtract the fraction part and the whole number part. So 56 over 6 minus 7 and 3/6. So 56 minus 3 is equal to 53. Since our denominator is 6, let's copy 6. So since our whole number is only 7, so let's bring down 7. So we have now here 7 and 53 over 6. So the fourth one, let's write our answer in simplest form. So since we have here 7 and 53 over 6, which is 53 over 6 is an improper fraction, so we need to divide 53 by 6, which is equal to 8 and 5 over 6. So since we have a whole number which is 7, let us add 8 and 7, which is equal to 15. So therefore, the difference of 28 over 3 minus 7 and 1/2 is equal to 15 and 5 over 6. Another example. Find the difference of 4 and 5/4 minus 3/5. So following the steps that we have, let's solve. First, find the LCD of 5 and 4. So we have here the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. So we have here the multiples of 4, which is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. So since we have already our LCD, which is 20, let's change it to similar fraction. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Next, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Okay, third one, let's subtract the fraction part and the whole number part. So 4 and 25 over 20 minus 12 over 20. So 25 minus 12 is equal to 13. So since our denominator is 20, let's copy 20. So since our fraction is our whole number is 4, so let's bring down 4. Now that we have finished our discussion, I want you to answer some activities that I have prepared. Just look for the study guide for you to be guided on what you are going to do. I hope you have learned much. Remember to stay godly and excellent. Jesus loves you and so do I.